Hi everyone! This is a pick a card reading. Tingnan natin kung ano ang paparating sa inyo na sorpresa next week, April 16 to 30, 2025. You have file number 1 here and file number 2. Okay? Just pause for a minute at piliin nyo yung card or yung file na dun nadodrawn ang inyong energy or paningin. Okay, let's start. Hi, pile number 1. So, ano ang sorpresa na paparating sa inyo this April 16 to 30, 2025? You have the 5 of Wands in upright position. And you have this positive action healing card. Okay. The 5 of Wands indicates competition, conflict with those people around you. Pero huwag kayong mabahala kasi very healthy naman ang competition na ito. At siguro, there are things talaga na very challenging para sa ating life. But I see you are standing your ground and you are not willing to parang hindi nyo siya babaliwalain. You are standing your ground at lumalaban kayo sa hamon ng buhay. Maybe for some of you na in a relationship, I see that your person is maybe flirting with others because you do see here a lot of energy, or you or your person is dealing with different type of person, or there could be a romantic rival, and maybe bakit nasa-sense ko na may parang dare na nangyayari, ganun. So this includes all sign in general, so it's up to you para pagtagpi-tagpiin itong mga sinasabi ko. Okay, so you have a healthy competition coming in. Hindi naman siya sa inyo big deal for you or your person, but I see someone who is very competitive at lumalaban talaga. I also feel that there might be small financial challenges coming in your way. Parang grabe namang surprise ito. May conflict at merong financial struggle. But the universe is telling you to just stay positive. You have this positive action card here, and it says, I focus on the beauty in me and I find silence. I live and honor the present by doing what I can do now. What I cannot change, I let go of and entrust to God. Wow, you are very powerful, very strong person na pinagpipray nyo lahat ng mga challenges sa inyong life and you entrust to God all those things na hindi nyo kaya. You are standing your ground with that faith na kakayanin ko ang hamon na to, at if ever man na hindi ko kaya, then God will fight for me. Parang ganun yung nasa-sense ko. You have this positive action. Very, mapagdasal na tao. Kaya whatever situation you are in, very challenging or toxic energy is nalalampasan nyo with this positive action. Okay, that's your reading, pile number 1. Thanks for watching. Okay, hi, file number 2. You have this Sun card sa paparating na April 16 to 30, 2025, and you have the guidance. Alright, so first you have this sun card, which indicates that you are very happy, you are about to be successful, and you do have a clear vision, clear goals sa inyong path towards success, and you are meant to be a successful person, and you are very joyful. You have this happy energy um, sa inyong life, and meron kayong abundance, financial abundance na paparating. And I just see someone who is being recognized with their skills and efforts na pinaghirapan nila. Lahat ng pinaghirapan nyo ay magiging successful. At you have this guidance card, which reads, in times of uncertainty, I ask God to guide me to the light in my being. I am directed to doors that will open inner freedom to me and step forward in trust. I release my faith to God, and my faith is rewarded. Wow, that is a very good reading. You have the Sun card and this guidance healing oracle card. So, nafe-feel ko the universe is telling you that you are guided all throughout your life and you are about to be successful. So that's why you just have to step forward, trust the process, release your faith to God, and faith. You have this faith that you will be rewarded. Recognition. I told you, you are rewarded with those things na pinaghirapan nyo, pinagpaguran nyo, and you will be successful. Okay? That's your reading pile number 2. Text what resonate and leave the rest turn not. Follow, like, comment, share, and subscribe.